Happy 4th of July, everyone, to all the people here in United States of America. We're celebrating the 4th of July today. Today is July 4th. This normally we celebrate the 4th of July here, and I just got home from work, and yeah, I bought today's 4th of July, so why not? So I bought 4th of July cookies. It sounds delicious though. This is what it look like, guys. So, and then I bought another thing for my small camera. I bought this little cute bag for this camera that I'm using right now because they're like really small. And yeah, so if you wanna like bring my small camera out, I can carry my camera with not like worrying I'm gonna break the lens or scratch the lens even it's closed, you know, because this camera it's expensive to break. So it has two, what do you call that, storage, I don't know how do you call that. So yeah, this is what it look like inside, and they have this strap as well. And this is, they have this and the side they have a little storage too, and a small zipper on the front. And this is what's the name of the backpack, a camera bag. I think this is the camera case for DSLR, they call it. I think this is Walmart brand, not sure. I got it from Walmart. This is $12.98, something like that. $12.98. I don't remember. And see the receipt is. I'm sorry, the receipt. $12.88. So $12.88 for the small camera bag. Because like if I just want to carry this small camera, I can carry it with this small sling bag for camera. And I bought another camera backpack at Walmart. It was on sale before. It was like the regular price is 24 something, almost $25, but it was on sale. When I bought it, they're only $11. It's a good deal. I save like almost a half of the price because I don't have a camera backpack. I have this small bag for the camera that it comes with the camera when I bought the camera. It comes with the camera, you know, those small bag for the camera. If you buy a camera, like it's like on a package already, but those are it's small for my camera. And if I want to add some of my accessories like my lens, extra lens with me, I cannot use those camera that it comes with the camera because they're small. So I got a good deal when they on sale, so I grabbed the opportunity and buy those big camera backpack, because like because it's not fit. My camera backpack is too small, and I want to show you guys. This one. So I got a good deal already for this one. This is for DSLR camera, and it's a backpack. And I like this one. There's so many pockets that I can put some extra battery or extra charger, extra memory card, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 extra zipper. So this is what it look like, guys. But on the back, it's not too big, it's not too small, so I like that kind of like camera backpack. Because sometimes if like I wanna go out with friends, if you wanna take a picture or wanna bring another extra lens for the camera, this is good. yeah, I already put something in here. And yeah, this is what's look like. I got these on clearance. They're like on sale for $11. Normally the camera backpack a camera backpack for DSLR, they're like $30, something like that. So yeah, this is what's look like inside, guys. So I already have my other lens here. This is the lens that I use it for just for taking pictures, photo shoot, because this lens is just for taking pictures, like the longer lens. This is what's look like, guys. So I always keep this here. That's why I bought this big backpack for camera, because if I want to take another extra lens with me to change my lens, I can do that. This is great. And I save money for this because it was on sale. Again, it was on sale for $11, so it's not too bad for the camera backpack. Yeah, and this one, I'm so happy with this one. This is a regular price. They're not on sale, but they're $12.88. So I decided to buy one for just this small camera that I using right now, so that I can carry it with me, not worrying it that I scratch the lens or breaking my camera. So yeah, super cute sling bag for the camera. So that's it, guys. It's busy today, really busy today at work, because people shopping for 4th of July. Like normally they're busy in the grocery area, especially in my area, they're busy too. I'm gonna try these cookies. I'm waiting for Dan. He's not here yet. So it smells good though. I'm gonna try the cookies. Want something cookies today. They're a little bit expensive for $5 and something for these cookies, but it's super cute cookies, guys. See, super cute cookies. It's good. I like the icing. Really nice. Ow! I bit my tongue. Ooh! I bit my tongue. Ow! It hurt. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna enjoy my cookies and I'll see you later. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Good cookies. Mm. Oh. On Wednesday, I have my dentist appointment on Wednesday. Just regular cleaning. I used to go to the I have to go to the dentist for regular cleaning, because my teeth is, they have to, I mean, yeah, I have to go to the dentist for regular cleaning. I'm scared going to the dentist, especially when they're doing the deep cleaning. I hate deep cleaning, and that's why the part of going to the dentist that I don't like. Deep cleaning, it's hurt. Even they make your entire mouth numb, but you can still feel the pressure that they're cleaning it all the way through your gums. So I don't like deep cleaning. Now, regular cleaning, it's fine. It's not bad at all. I'm okay with that, but not deep cleaning. It's hurt. It's really hurt. But yeah, we have to take care of our teeth. Yeah. So yeah, so I do the regular cleaning every 6 months to check everything, what should have to do or need to fix, something like that. And yeah, all right, everyone, I'm excited. I'm just waiting for Dan. Dan's not here yet, so I want to try see this camera fit on the camera bag that I just bought today. And yeah, trying to take off the tripod. And yeah, ooh, I brought the, what do you call it? The blurry lens. I love this lens though. Maybe I can give the like a video or review about this lens. This lens is super nice lens. I love this one. This is that lens that I'm using right now. One of my favorite lens that I have. Give those blurry background on my background. I like that. This is the lens that normally I use when I'm filming a sit-down video, because I like those blurry black background that I have right now. You can see it's like super blurry. And okay, so I already put the bag like that, and this is the camera that I'm talking with you guys. Probably you can see it already. The super tiny small cup. It's fit. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's still a little bit big for the, but that's good enough. Just have a little space onto my camera. And I think if you wanna carry a tripod, a small tripod, that's fit too. We'll see. Oh yeah, it fit. Ooh, I like that. It is fit. Okay, it fit, guys. The camera and the tripod, and I can still able to, I think, close it. The zipper. Oh yes, I can close it, and even I can close it. Oh, so awesome. Yep. Okay, it fit the tripod and then the camera. So this is what's look like, guys, if I wanna carry it. I'm just gonna put it like that. I don't know if you can see that. We'll see. Put the camera down. So this is what's look like, guys, the camera bag like that. Ooh, I like that. This is what's look like. And yeah, and then I think you can adjust the strap if you wanna, your strap is a little bit like longer, you can do that. But yeah, this is the camera backpack. Super nice. It fit my tripod and then my camera. That's cute. And then they have this pocket too if I wanna carry battery, extra memory card or whatever, because they have this battery extra pocket and another extra pocket here. So those are cute. So yeah, so it's not too bad for $12.88. And yeah, if you have a small camera that you're worried to, like, you know, carry it all the time, taking it outside all the time, I think it's better than to buy something like this one, because it's made for the camera and you don't have to worry you're breaking your lens or your screen, because it's safe if you have this type of small bag for the camera. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna carry it all the time with me if I'm going outside. If I wanna bring my camera outside, this is gonna be my best friend. Carrying it all the time, going outside, because I don't wanna break my camera, putting it in the wrong bag, because you know it's hard to replace the lens or the screen. It's hard. You can change it for this type of camera. So I'm just waiting for that. He's not here yet. I'm alone. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. A very quick vlog. I don't know, quick vlog, or I don't know, is it like how long this video is. Yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you think this video helpful for you, give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone. Happy 4th of July everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye.